How to tighten saggy breasts naturally with olive oil. All women have their insecurities when it comes to their looks and appearance. Having a well-shaped body with a perfect breast is what all girls dream about. We must not forget that breasts are made up of fatty tissues and glands, hence crash dieting and unhealthy habits take a toll on them. Many go into a crash diet to attain that perfect body, but in the process tend to disregard their health, which takes a toll on your appearance. Crash dieting is a prime reason that causes your breasts to sag. Excessive smoking must be stopped to maintain your good looks. Factors that affect breast sagging. Wearing an uncomfortable bra makes your breasts sag. Whether you try your sports bra for your regular workout or the boulder holder you wear during the day, it needs to fit you properly and support your breasts. The more the breasts tend to bounce around, the more they tend to droop. Some experts are of the opinion that high-impact workouts tend to take a toll on your breast size. It leads to a breakdown of your breast collagen, so it's better that you speak to your gynecologist before you set your mind on high-impact workouts. Another obvious reason is aging. As you grow older, your breasts tends to sag. Breast sagging also occurs due to excessive breastfeeding. Another interesting reason is gravitational pull. It may sound strange, but this affects women with larger breast size. Is olive oil good for breast firming? Olive oil provides intense nourishment to the skin and easily penetrates the inner layers of the skin to keep it soft, moisturized and hydrated. It contains fatty acids which nourish the fatty tissues and they do not go dry. Generally, the dryness of the tissues leads to the sagging of the breasts. The antioxidants also help in reducing the dryness and keep the skin supple as well. Moreover, the antioxidants and the fatty acids preserve the elasticity of the skin. Massage your breasts daily with this oil and prevent premature sagging. How to use olive oil for breast tightening. Method 1. This is the easiest method for applying olive oil on your breasts. It reverses any damage caused, like drying of the fatty tissues. It prevents sagging and improves the skin tone and texture. Follow the procedure to tighten them up. Pour a generous amount of olive oil onto your palms and rub them together. This generates heat. Massage your breasts by rubbing your palms over your breasts in an upward motion. This must be done in the upward motion only. Gently massage your breasts for about 10 minutes to increase blood flow. This also stimulates cell repair. Repeat this remedy at least 7 or 8 times per week. Method 2. Take a large cooking pot, set it on the stove, and turn it on. Next, add 1/2 cup of olive oil into this pot. Then you have to add 2 tablespoons of fenugreek seeds into the cooking pot. Then, put it on the stove. Set the stove on low flame. Next, 2 tablespoons of black cumin seeds have to be added to the stove. Now slowly stir the ingredients using a spoon. Continue stirring for 5 minutes. Let the mixture simmer for 10 to 15 minutes. After this, strain the oil and pour it in a glass jar. Use this oil to massage your breast daily for 30 minutes. Massage in an upward motion. Wear a tight bra after massaging your breast with this oil. Follow this remedy regularly. Tips. Here are some tips that you must follow to keep your breast firm and prevent them from sagging. The first and foremost thing to do is wear the right size bra that supports your breasts and around it. Do some light exercises regularly. Moisturize and massage your breasts regularly. Do some breast exercises which keep your breasts tightly, upward and firm. You can also do certain specific yoga which aims at breast tightening and firming. Drink a lot of water and maintain a balanced diet. Try and maintain a steady weight. Sagging of breast is quite natural and would eventually happen to every woman at a certain age. You can only delay the process from setting in and prevent it from setting in early. Taking good care of your health is the key to looking beautiful. We would suggest that one doesn't stress about this much and gradually follow the above-mentioned remedies to get firmer breasts with time.